Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your devices. Get your phone and a backup option like an Authenticator app or a recovery code printed out. Once ready, open Facebook, tap the menu, choose Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Next, go to Security and Login. This is where two-factor settings live. Tap two-factor authentication or use two-factor authentication to begin the setup process. You do this now because starting here ensures Facebook recognizes your device. Now choose the method you prefer, Authenticator app, SMS, or a security key, and follow Facebook's prompts. If you pick an Authenticator app, open it, scan the QR code, or enter the setup key, then type the 6-digit code Facebook asks for to verify. If you choose SMS, enter your phone number and confirm the text code. Make sure to save the provided backup codes and add a secondary device or trusted contact. This prevents lockouts if you lose your primary phone. Finish by confirming two-factor authentication is marked active in Security and Login, then test it. Log out and sign back in, entering your second factor when prompted. Make sure backup codes are stored in a secure place, remove any old devices, and update your phone number if it changed. If you can't receive codes, use the saved backup codes or reach out to a trusted contact you added earlier. If those options fail, escalate to Facebook support. Explain the steps you already tried and provide identification if requested.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.